Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a Chand Raat slash Chand Day vlog because this is a day to a night vlog. So I decided to film it for you guys because it is a very special day. So my mom is actually coming from Pakistan today. So I decided to first set up her room. So this is just me cleaning up before she arrives and tidying everything up around the room. Essentially घर तो हमने पहले ही साफ़ कर लिया था over the weekend, so just had to do some final touches. And this is basically what we've done with there's a dressing, there's a wardrobe that's available for use completely empty so that she can put her stuff inside. And apart from that, there's also, like, if you see a big mirror, the room is quite airy. And then, like, I kept some set of towels if she wants some. Or फिर यहाँ पे I also kept like a tray with nuts and stuff to eat. My mom really does enjoy having a lot of biscuits. She really likes it, and it's actually the only thing she eats. She's very very skinny. तो उस तरह की कुछ चीज़ें हैं. There's also, I found this आसपास and I think she would like it. So I got that. Some Pakistani biscuits and some snacks. Actually, my mom has been here 3 to 4 times already. So coming to Sydney is not very new for her, but this trip is going to be a bit different because Mama is going to come to my house for the first time. So I just wanted to do stuff that would make her feel special. So that's the entire room. And then now I have to move to task number two, which is I have to go into the kitchen and make 2 desserts for tomorrow. तो कल ईद है. एक, हाँ, मेरी मामी के घर जाना है, दूसरी मामी के घर जाना है, एक के घर ब्रेकफास्ट पे, एक के घर डिनर पे. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक समथिंग लाइक स्वीट टू टेक. वैसे ज़रूरी नहीं था, लेकिन वही सोच के मेरी जान निकल गई थी. तो पहले मैंने कहा कि चलो कुछ डिज़र्ट ही दे दें, अब ट्राई करने में मुश्किल लग रही है. पुट अ लोड ऑफ लॉन्ड्री इन. And the weather is just beautiful. It's just raining and also just wanted to show you guys हमारी घास कटनी है, so just like don't mind that is there. पर उसके अलावा हम लोगों ने जो है वो the view is amazing. And then we also have this separator ताकि laundry separated रहे, ज़रा छुपी रहे, ताकि गंदी भी अगर हो तो इतनी नज़र नहीं आए. Then after that, obviously there were some dishes that I had to do before doing anything in the kitchen. So I just decided to quickly start doing the dishes first. And once they would be done, I had to make 2 desserts. So what I have in mind is to make like a tiramisu chocolate dessert. Tiramisu espresso chocolate dessert. It's like a tiramisu but it has chocolate in it. तो ये इरादा था बनाने का. And I'm a little skeptical because I'm not that good with desserts still. I can cook now, लेकिन desserts ना मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे अभी भी अच्छी नहीं बनती. मुझे ज़्यादा रेशियो वगैरह नहीं समझ आता कि क्या करना चाहिए. Even though a lot of people start with desserts, I do have a big sweet tooth, but I'm very very specific with what I want to eat. तो इसलिए मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था. तो फिर I was just taking my time, calming myself down and trying to clean. Cleaning really helps me calm myself down now. That's adult life for you guys. The stuff that I used to feel like इसमें किसको मज़ा आता है. And I don't know if you guys have become like me, but like I have started loving storing these plastic containers. ये कल रात इसमें किसी ने बिरयानी खाई थी, अज़र ने बिरयानी खाई थी. And now I'm just washing and storing them क्योंकि किसी और को खाना देने में काम आएगा. I don't know if you guys have become like that or not. And then I wanted to put everything in its place before I could actually start prepping anything for जो desserts हैं. By the way, I'm giving you a very realistic vlog. इसलिए आपको नज़र आएगा कि मैं बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं हूँ. मैं जिस तरह के कपड़ों में घर में घूम रही होती हूँ, जिस हालत में घूम रही होती हूँ, you guys are actually seeing raw footage. Not like one of those YouTubers जो कि तैयार होते हैं फिर कहते हैं oh I just woke up. Nothing like that. इतना जो है ना अब टाइम नहीं है. जवानी में शायद मेरे पास फिर भी टाइम और हिम्मत होती थी, but now I can't do it at all. So just putting the mugs and everything away now. That's whatever that we had washed. It's always better कि एक साथ काम करते रहें, वरना काम जो है ना वो pile up ही होते जाते हैं. Look at me talking like a mum. Acha, so this is what I was making. This is the chocolate mousse, And before anyone says gelatin haram haram, this one is suitable for vegetarians and has no gelatin in it, so completely halal. And I needed to find a mixing bowl and some milk from the pantry ताकि इसको जो है वो करना स्टार्ट करें. By the way, my posture is so horrible. I should be standing up straight. It's so horrible. And उसके अलावा जो है I was just reading on how to make it. वैसे it was pretty simple. कुछ भी नहीं करना था आपको, बस पानी के साथ उसको whisk करना था. And that's it. But I was like scared. I was like अगर ये fluff up नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ, because you know मेरे पास तो hand mixer भी नहीं है, मेरे पास तो अपने हाथ ही हैं and a whisk to use it, because I don't make a lot of desserts. I wanted to invest in the KitchenAid, but then I was like क्या invest करना, अभी मुझे इतने desserts आते नहीं है. Maybe like Azhar will buy it. Azhar को बहुत kitchen की चीज़ों का शौक है, so maybe he's going to buy it. And this is me, look, like I just literally spent, I don't even know, 20 minutes whisking it. और बहुत मुश्किल काम था, हाथ जो है ना मेरे दर्द कर करके थक गए थे. और कंसिस्टेंसी फिर भी अच्छी हो गई थी, इतनी वो नहीं थी, काफ़ी मूस लाइक हो गई थी, बट स्टिल नॉट एज मच. और फिर जब वो थिक होने लगा तो आई वाज जस्ट रीडिंग ऑन द इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड आई वाज लाइक यार इसमें वाकई में जेलेटिन तो नहीं है. आई reconfirmed, but no gelatin, suitable for vegetarians. And then once I was done whisking this and I was okay with the consistency, it was time to make the espresso for that bitter adult like coffee flavor. तो मैं तो सिर्फ यहाँ पे कोल्स की कॉफ़ी यूज़ कर रही हूँ, नथिंग फैंसी. और जो बिस्कॉरी बिस्किट्स होते हैं वो भी यूज़ करूँगी. सो मैंने पहले बिस्किट्स लेयर किए, जस्ट लाइक दैट, नथिंग लाइक, आई वॉजंट वेरी पर्टिकुलर. आई होप कि अच्छी हो टेस्ट में, अब ये तो कल ही पता चलेगा. एंड देन आई पुट सम कॉफ़ी एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. बाय द वे ये वॉइस ओवर इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं जो है ना इतना ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकती थी, ऊपर नीचे वॉल्यूम होती, कुछ होता, काम नहीं हो पाता, तो मैंने कहा चलो वॉइस ओवर कर लें. दिस वाज द कंसिस्टेंसी. आई नो इट लुक्स लाइक एब्सोल्यूट क्रैप राइट नाउ, बट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. उसके बाद आई हैड दीज टाइनी वेफर्स बाय क्वाड्रेटिनी, and I have this handheld chopper kind of thing. This is by the way a very good tool कि इसमें ना सिर्फ आपको ये चीज़ें डालनी होती हैं इधर से, and then there's like a string kind of thing. You just have to pull it, lock it and then pull it, and then everything just gets chopped. थोड़ी जान लगती है but everything gets chopped. And this is so good because like ये प्याज टमाटर टाइप चीज़ें काटने में ना बहुत आसानी होती है. और इवन ब्रेड क्रम्स आप बना सकते हैं या चूरा कर सकते हैं वेफर्स का, सब चीज़ों का. तो इट्स एक्चुअली क्वाइट अ गुड टूल. एंड इफ़ एनी वन इज़ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड दे वांट टू गेट इट, आई वुड हाईली सजेस्ट. Kmart पे कोई $7-8 का था या $11 का होगा मैक्सिमम. So just get it. I generally enjoyed it, using it, and honestly I feel like it makes kitchen work easy. And I don't know why I have a habit of sniffing everything, क्योंकि रोज़ा तो मैं खा नहीं सकती थी, तो मैं sniff करके, and I have a very strong sense of smell. whipped cream मैंने इस पे लगा दी. वो दूसरा वाला जो है ना जो आप देख रहे हैं वो वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है, तो वो बाद में कर लेंगे उसको सही. बट दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक. एंड देन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज़, अच्छा बाय द वे वो वेफर्स जो है ना मैंने स्प्रिंकल किए थे ऊपर जस्ट फॉर अ बिट ऑफ टेक्सचर. एंड देन आई वाज शोइंग यू गाइस दैट इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग रियली रियली हेविली. तो मैंने कहा कि आपको मौसम देखा, इट हैज़ बिन रेनिंग क्वाइट अ लॉट since the past 2-3 days, but thank God it's not that cold, because यहाँ पे तो आपको पता है अब वो वेदर आने वाला है कि ज़रा सी बारिश होगी and it's going to get cold, and then फिर बारिश होगी, फिर cold हो जाएगा, and we might see little bit or very less of the sun, which is going to be sad but also nice. This is just, I wanted you guys to hear the sound of the rain because I really like it. It's so calming and soothing. And we were just showing, I was just showing you my backyard वैसे, but काफ़ी backyard is a work in progress. Then my sister called because it was Eid in the UK, so we were just like, I had changed and all, and we were just like chatting with each other. And बस थोड़ी देर में मामा को लेने जाना था, तो वो भी पूछ रही थी कि क्या चल रहा है. Before going to take my mom, as I wanted to get the car washed, so we gave it to the Star car wash in Hornsby. And we were in Westfield, which is the mall. और यहाँ पे मैं Kmart पे बस Elf को देख रही थी. मैंने कुछ लिया नहीं वैसे, but I will do some of like full face of Elf kind of thing. थोड़ा टाइम दे दें, ज़रा सेटअप करने दें चीज़ें, तो इंशाल्लाह. I did pick up this basket for my mom for which has like body wash and cleansers and like face masks and stuff like that for her to use. And then I found this really nice, like if you could see over there, this really nice silicone brush for cleaning generally like your body. And I felt like it was such a nice thing, so I put that in as well. And if mama doesn't use it, I will use it, because I feel like it's really good to exfoliate your this one. It's really good to exfoliate your skin, and it doesn't loofahs वगैरह बहुत गंदे होते हैं. Then picked out some flowers, because it's always nice to welcome anybody with some flowers, and going to the airport. So guys, we went to Kmart. I got a few things for my mom. Basically it was just like regular stuff that she could use, such as stuff like cleanser. I found like a really nice silicone brush, and I just got it because it's so much better than loofahs to use a silicone brush on your skin. And I'm excited to actually try it, because I feel like it really would exfoliate the skin and really would clean the skin, and would impact maybe like a lot positively on body acne. उसके अलावा वैसे मेरे को शुक्र है बॉडी एक्नी नहीं है. मुझे लिटरली 10 years में बॉडी एक्नी भी हो चुकी है, वो सही हुई थी, फिर फेस एक्नी हो गई इन माई एडल्ट ईयर्स. आई डोंट इवन नो, आई गेस आई वाज जस्ट वेरी अनलकी. But as you can see, my skin is now doing very nice compared to how it used to be. बस ये थोड़ा सा rough patch है. वो भी like थोड़ी hyper pigmentation, थोड़ी uneven skin texture जो on and off improve और not improve होता रहता है. So it's fine. Now we're going to go pick my mom up, and her flight's probably landed. बस हम airport के रास्ते में हैं. And then once she comes, we are going to obviously maybe we're going to celebrate her birthday, not sure. And then have food, and then we'll see ke chand raat type kya karna hai. And I did my brows with the new NYX brow pencil today. Not very neatly, but still, but I do feel like my eyebrows look quite defined. It does look like I got my brows done, which I don't anymore. Okay, so long story short, by the time we had reached, my mom had already come out, landed since a while. और फिर वो मेरे मामू भी लेट हो गए, हम भी लेट हो गए, मेरे मामू के साथ आ रही थी. And that's the rainbow that I was trying to show. अब पता नहीं नज़र आ रही है कैमरे में नहीं, which is why I couldn't take a lot of shots of her coming and all of us meeting her. But आने के बाद फ़ौरन इफ्तारी का टाइम था, तो जल्दी जल्दी हमने इफ्तारी लगाई. There's butter chicken, there's dal, there's tarkari, there's kachori, there's pasta, there's dam ka keema, there's nihari, and matar pulao, samosa, malai khaja, and tang, and a drink. And there was generally a lot of things, okay, like a lot of things to eat, which I was happy about, because alhamdulillah now I can cook a lot of stuff. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने नमाज़ वगैरह पढ़ी, and mom just started washing the dishes on her own. सोचे आते ही हमने काम पे लगा दिया. And then like I was making tea for everyone, and then I made some शाही टुकड़े. तो मैंने कहा कि dessert कुछ खा लें, लेकिन किसी ने ज़्यादा dessert नहीं खाई. My husband and my cousin, they were just playing on the PlayStation. I mean men, boys. And my mom and my mamu, they were just chilling, talking. In local लग रहा है मैं picture ले रही हूँ, but it's not a picture. And then revisiting old times. थोड़ी देर बाद my cousin and my mommy and nani were gone for Chandrat celebration, so they came back. So I just wanted to do an outfit check with my cousin. And look at her. And then I just was like, oh, mummy, आपका भी outfit check कर देते हैं. That's my nani. She came to obviously meet my mom. तो उनका भी मैंने आउटफिट चेक किया थोड़ा सा, and looks quite nice. And then my mommy was also wearing a nice outfit. And then naturally, like any desi person, mama now wanted to give everybody the gifts she had bought, so she was just distributing gifts, and I was just like there filming it for everyone, and for generally memories as well, like it's nice that she has a visit. My nani got this really nice blue dress. It does look nice on her. This color is going to look really good on her. And mama ने मेरे लिए मेरी मामी के लिए फर्शी शलवार ली थी, and the first time I wore it I didn't like it at all, but then it grew on me. उसके बाद जी मेरे हस्बैंड को शौक था कि उस तरह की मेहंदी लगवाएंगे, तो हम लिकम्बा चले गए. That's my mom doing her vlog. She's just saying I'm at Likamba in Sydney. And यहाँ पे बड़ा ही देसी सीन था भाई. Like you get like a token, and then मेहंदी लग रही है बहुत सारे लोगों के. And it's very desi. going around, you'll see it's a very desi zone. It was a nice environment, and a lot of people were getting mehndi done. And my mom was, like I think my mom hasn't seen this desi side of Sydney that much. She's seen it, but not that much. तो मेहंदी लग रही थी and then mom was just looking at it and I was also just looking at it waiting for my turn. मैंने वैसे इतनी लगवाई नहीं, आपको पता है कि मैंने सिर्फ fingers लगवाई थी and fingers was also like $60. It was quite expensive and I'm not, I love मेहंदी but अब ना मेरे अंदर इतना पेशेंस नहीं है कि मैं पकड़ के उसको सुखा के बैठूँ. इवन घर आते ही मैंने धो दी थी बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरा कलर अभी भी अच्छा आता है. बट अब सास मुझे प्यार करती है नहीं, आई डोंट नो. इट सेज कि आपकी मेहंदी का कलर अच्छा आता है तो सास प्यार करती है. मेरे तो हमेशा से अच्छा आता है बट वी ऑल नो सारी सास एक जैसी नहीं होती. आफ्टर दैट my mom obviously Eid is not complete until my mom is fixing my जोड़ा because I was like ये तो मुझे फिट नहीं आ रहा, इसको फिक्स करना. तो उनको कुछ टाइट करना था, फर्शी शलवार के हिसाब से लूज करना था. That's what she's doing. और अब तो जब सब यहाँ पर ही आ गए, and we were discussing Sydney की ईद. बस पापा का ही वो होता है बेचारों का, क्या कर सकते हैं, सुनते ही नहीं. And that's about it. Got my mehndi done, took it off, and now it's just time to put some oil in my hair and sleep. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Eid Mubarak from me to you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day and see you guys real soon. Allah Hafiz. And please keep my family in your prayers.